Okay, fine. We now today we are going to learn Vedic subtraction. So it is also like the normal addition or subtraction will start from the right side, but the Vedic addition and subtraction comes from the left side. You need to start from the left side and know in normal Vedic normal subtraction we have to take borrow from the other. Yes, so borrowing is a bad
Yes.
habit. It is a very bad habit. We should not do this borrowing in our real life also, because we should not ask anybody. We have worth, we have talent. Why to ask somebody? You just have to like search, research, do research on yourself, refine you, and so that you will get answer that you are worth of it for this thing. Like that, we should not borrow from anyone. Okay, so that is why here in Vedic subtraction there is no borrowing. We have to do from the left side. Let me tell you, before going to learn about this subtraction, first we need to learn what is match and what is mismatch. Note down. Have you noted the topic name? Vedic subtraction. Vedic subtraction. Subtraction. Have you noted?
Not yet.
Note down. So first what we have to do is you have to first to know about this match and mismatch. What is this? Let me tell you. You just do you know the normal meaning of match? When we say match, for example, we say match when it is same. Yes. For example, if you see that, we can by the name we can say that both are squares. So both are matched. Maybe if they ask anybody from the civil department, if they ask, is both are same, but he will say it is not, because maybe here the difference you can see the like area of this and area of this may be differs. But on the whole, by the name we can say that square, both are squares, so it is matched. Even we can see twins, the people, twin kids, like sorry. So you see, both are like same, maybe partially, so that we can say that they are match. And coming to mismatch, mismatch means, for example, it is a pen, okay, and it is a book. So both are different. We can say both are matched, but they are related. They are interrelated. Pen, we use pen to write anything on the book. So in the same way, for example, if you're able to easily subtract from any number, it is called match pair. We are representing M. Okay, match pair. If you are not able to subtract it, 3 minus 8, it is not possible. So this is called mismatch. Understood? Do you understood what it means by match or mismatch?
I understand.
And tell me so one or two examples for match.
So basically, like 8 minus 4. That's match because it's you can do it because the answer is going to be 4. Mismatch is about like what if I do 3 minus 10? It's impossible unless
That's
you
good.
go in. So 3 minus 10 is a mismatch and 8 minus 4 is a match.
Very good, very good. Karthik, you just tell me, is it a match or mismatch?
It's a match.
And what about it?
Not a match.
So you need to tell mismatch. Okay. Good, good. Now I hope you understand what is match and what is mismatch. Now, in addition, if you see the next pair as carry combination in addition, what we will do? We just add plus one to the answer. If you see non-carry combination, you just write the as answer as it is. Yes, in the same way, if we see next pair as match, we need to write the answer as it is. If you see mismatch as the next pair, we need to subtract 1 from the answer. Understood? Just reduce the 1 by the answer. Clear? Both of you. If it is a match,
Yes.
you need to write the answer as it is, whatever it comes. 6 minus 3, 3. But if you see next pair as mismatch, you just need to 6 minus 3. If it is 3, you need to tell 2. Understood?
Yes.
Ready? Let me do one problem. 76 minus 38. First, we need to first pair 7 minus 3. It is 4. But before writing 4, we need to check the next pair is a match or mismatch. What is the next pair? Is it a match or mismatch?
Mismatch.
So it is a mismatch. So we need to write 3 instead of 4. Because 7 minus 3 is 4. But the next pair is mismatch. That's why I have written. I just reduced it by 1. Understood? So next,
Yes.
for this,
Yes.
I forgot to tell you the friend method. Friend method base 10. Please note down. First you have to learn this. I forgot to tell. Friend method base 10. What is meant by friend method base 10? For example, you just take, like, if you consider 1, how much we need to add to it to become 10? Tell me. Don't write anything on my board. Yeah. Tell me how much I need to add to 1 to make it as 10.
Do we have to do all those?
No. How much I need to add? Tell me the question mark.
Oh, 9.
9.
Very good. It is 9. Next.
8. 7.
8.
Very good.
7,
6. 5.
6.
4. And then 3, and then 2, and then 1.
Yes. You understood. Very good. So this
There's a
is
pattern.
what, and this is like 5, only 5. So is planning to, like, this friend method. Why we call it as friend method? Because these two are friends. These two are friends. These two are friends. These two are friends, and 5 is also friends. Whenever you see it, you just remember that other thing. Understood? For example, if I ask you 7, what do you need to tell?
3, right?
3.
So what it is 3? I'm asking like it is a match or mismatch, and you just tell me the tables.
The tables of 7.
No, 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 no. Now you have. I hope you understand, right? This one.
Oh, yeah, I know.
These are all friends. If you see 3, you need to remember 7. If you see 4, you need to remember 6. That is what I'm telling. Okay. Now you see. So for each and every mismatch pair, what we need to do is we need to we need to do friend method for the below number. Tell me what is who is the friend of 8? Who is the friend of 8?
2.
So
2.
add that 2 to 6.
So 8.
So answer is 8. Understood?
I get. Yeah, I
I will
get
tell
it.
you one more. Like 843 minus 289. So first we need to subtract 8 minus 2 it is. Let me write like a mismatch. Yes, it is also mismatch. So 8 minus 2 is 6, but I need to write 5. And for each and every mismatch pair, we need to apply carrier rule. Sorry, any number method. Friend method. You need to apply friend method. So 8 friend is 2, right? So 2 plus 4 it is 6. But I need to write 5 because the next pair is also mismatch. Understood? And now
Yeah.
9 friend is 1. So 1 is added to 3. It become 4. There is nothing to check. That's why I written the answer as it is. Is it clear? Am I need to explain one more problem?
No, I understand that. I get it.
You see here 3, 8, 2, 9, 2, 8. For example, if I give like this 7 minus 3, it is 4, but it is a mismatch. It is a match. It is a mismatch. It is match. And it is mismatch. So 7, 4. And if you take like mismatch, 7 minus 3 is 4, but I will write 3 because it is a mismatch. For mismatch, what type of the friend will be like 2. So 2 is added to 5, 3, and it become 5. Next pair is match, so I need to write 5 as it is. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next pair is mismatch, I need to write 2.
How do you know if
Next,
it's mis?
how did I know?
How do you know if it's mismatch?
By seeing the numbers. You see above it, if it is a small number and below it is a big number, it is a mismatch.
Okay. Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
So now it is 5 minus 2 is actually 3, but I have written 2 because the next pair is mismatch. So 9 friend is 1. 1 plus 6 it is 7. So next pair is match. That's why I have written as it is. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So next pair is mismatch. So I need to write 1. And finally 8 friend is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Understood? If you feel
Yeah.
difficulty, you just use your normal method. But if you practice it, you know, we are doing a motivation. Sorry. And understood?
Yeah. I
Can I give you one
understand.
problem?
Okay, I understand too.
So do it then. Do it, all of you. Yes, it is correct. Let me do it. And so 8 friend is 2. 2 plus 3 5. So but the next one is match. So we have to write 5 as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2, but the next one is also match. So I have to write 2 as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1. Next one is also match. And 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus. Okay, you got the same answer, right? Very good.